Hi people, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be explaining what photosynthesis is and why it's very important. Now the first thing is you need to understand what photosynthesis is. Now photo means light and synthesis is the making of. And basically photosynthesis in a nutshell is how plants use sunlight to make their own energy. Now it's very important to understand that you need 4 things for photosynthesis to happen, or maybe a little bit more. Now the first important thing is you need water, and water is absorbed by the roots. Okay, number 1, we need water. We need a gas called carbon dioxide. Now carbon dioxide is in the air already, it's in the atmosphere, it's in low concentration, there's around 0.04% in the air, and that diffuses into the stomata, and that's how it gets into the plant. So we've got water plus carbon dioxide, and then we need something special, and that's called chloroplast. Now inside chloroplast it contains this green pigmentation called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll has the ability to absorb sunlight. Okay, now let's have a look. So we've got water from the roots, we've got carbon dioxide coming in from the air and diffusing in via the stomata, we've got chlorophyll inside the leaves which absorbs sunlight, and finally we produce glucose, which is the energy, and oxygen. So that's basically photosynthesis in a nutshell. Now why is photosynthesis important for plants? Listen, plants can't talk like me and you. Like right now I need, let's say for example, 50% off from restaurants. Let's all take my family to the restaurants. Let's go to this restaurant, that restaurant, let's go. Well, plants can't do that because they can't technically move, they haven't got legs. And also they can't just order online, they can't just say, yo mum, you know what, make me something to eat, hurry up, I'm hungry. Listen, ring Con Spice and tell them I need 12-inch pizza, yeah? Okay, bye. They can't do that like the way we do. So what? God has given them ability to make their own food, and they do that via the sunlight. Now it's very important to understand that photosynthesis happens during the day and respiration occurs during the night when the sun is not out. So plants have their ability to produce their own energy, which is why they're called producers. It's very important that you understand that concept. Now this is a little bit more detail than what I said before. So the carbon dioxide comes in, water is picked up from the soil, and glucose and oxygen are byproducts. So think about it, without plants, would we be here? That is the $1 million question, because at the end of the day we need oxygen in order to breathe. Now it's very important to understand chlorophyll. There we go, that's the chlorophyll found inside plants, and it absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis. A very, very important concept. So what's happening? So as you can see, carbon dioxide's coming in, oxygen's coming out as a byproduct, but of course we need that oxygen, very important. And you can see the water being picked up from the roots, absorbed from the roots, and then it travels through these these tissues called xylem. Now xylem carry water inside a plant, and phloem carry sugars. So it's very important to understand that plants got their own mechanisms and their own methods of carrying certain substances. They don't have blood, but they do have xylem and phloem. So it's very important to understand that. Another thing, make sure you remember why glucose is used. So it's important to understand, but the most important thing in exams, they like testing you on what is photosynthesis. Make sure you remember carbon dioxide plus water, a light and chlorophyll give you glucose and oxygen. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and peace out.